Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing my top 5 eyeshadow recommendations under rupees 500. So these are perfect for any occasion, for daily wear, for these colorful, playful looks that you want to do. So it's perfect for everything basically. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So the first one is this one. It's by Swiss Beauty. I'm not really sure of the complete name. I would be linking all of the products down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. So this is in the shade 05 Rose Gold. So this is how the product looks like. So I'm just going to show you how the wand looks like as well. It's a very beautiful rose gold sort of a shimmer. It's a metallic eyeshadow. Okay, so you can layer it on your usual eyeshadow looks, and it will instantly amp up your eyeshadow game, and it will amp up your makeup game to another level. So you need to try it out if you haven't already. It gives a very beautiful finish. It's not sticky or it's not tacky or something. It looks good. It looks good quality. I mean, for the price, it definitely is completely worth it. So you should try it out. And the color is something, it flatters all skin tones. So this particular shade 05 Rose Gold, it will flatter all skin tones and it will suit and go along with all of your outfits. Now this blends easily. It doesn't have any problem blending, but do make sure that you do blend it quickly and don't take a lot of time applying it, because it will start to settle by then and start to dry out by then. So you need to be a little quick with this one. One set, it doesn't move absolutely no matter what. It just stays put as it is and it stays through your day. But yeah, of course, if you sweat a lot, it might not. So make sure you do apply an eyeshadow primer before this and you're good to go. So the next eyeshadow that I have here, it's actually the Glam Girl single eyeshadow, and it's in the shade ME19. Okay, this is the matte eyeshadow, and I wanted a neon color basically, and that is the reason I got it. So now this is good for people who don't use up the entire palette. So you want to go for some colorful looks, or you want to try to play with colors, but you don't want to invest in a palette because you might not end up using all of the colors. So it makes sense for you to purchase a single and then, you know, first try your hand on that, and then if you do think that you do like and you want to invest, then you can go ahead and purchase a complete eyeshadow palette. So this is a neon green color. Okay, it's actually a light green, but it looks very, very beautiful, and it's not the color that you would usually wear. So you can really play around with this color and you can create many looks. Now it's definitely not something that you will usually go out with, but it's still very beautiful and unique. So if you do end up working around with it and finding your way, then I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Now the formulation is so pretty. It's a matte eyeshadow. It's very soft and buttery, and the color payoff is really good. It's extremely pigmented. It's not chalky at all. It blends out beautifully, and yeah, it's just amazing. The quality is supreme, so you need to try this eyeshadow out. The next eyeshadow palette is again by Swiss Beauty. This is the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette, and this is in the shade 06. So this has 9 shades right here. It is actually a perfect warm palette. In fact, it has all of the colors that you can use on a daily. So it has a peach, it has a darker peach, and then you do have one shimmer here and one shimmer here. Now these are very finely milled shimmers, so they are not something that would be like a glitter eyeshadow. So it's still like a very subtle shimmery eyeshadow. This will suit a lot of skin tones because these colors will be suitable for fair skin tones, and these will look absolutely for darker skin tones. Also, you can do multiple smoky eye looks with these because it does have the darker eyeshadows, darker brown eyeshadows. Also, this eyeshadow particularly can be good for your eyebrows. So again, it has a lot of variety and it can be used on your eyes, it can be used on your cheeks, and again it can be used as a contour as well. So yes, you can make multiple uses out of it. It's absolutely beautiful. Now the formulation is, again, the eyeshadows are really smooth. It is not very chalky. The pigmentation is not as good as the Glam Girls one that I showed you, but it's still decent enough. In fact, for the price, it's completely worth it, and it's again very easy to blend. So if you're a beginner, you can try your hands on this. Alright, so the next palette that I have here, it's a very famous and much hyped palette, and this is the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air palette. Okay, and I'm sure most of you might already own this, and if you don't, then yeah, it is worth the hype and you should own it if you're looking for an eyeshadow within a budget. So this has all of these beautiful colors. It has 2 transition shades, it has 2 shimmers, and it has good mattes. You can create multiple looks out of these. The number of looks that you can create with these is just next to infinity. So it's that good. You can really play around with it, and you can go for soft smoky looks, you can go for proper smoky looks, you can use it for an occasion, you can use it for daily. So it is actually a versatile palette, and this shade right here, it's really good for highlighting. Again, it's very finely milled, so it doesn't look like glitter chunks on your face. It's just beautiful. So the formulation is really good. It's supremely easy to blend. It's so damn easy to blend, I can't tell you. And the colors are gorgeous. It is pigmented. It is well pigmented, so you don't have to worry about the pigmentation. You might have to go over a couple of times for some of the shades, but if that doesn't bother you, this is a really good pick if you are a beginner. Okay, so the last palette and my absolute favorite palette is this one by Nika K. This is in the shade Mocha Mix. Now they have a lot of shades in these, and if you are somebody who wants to play with a lot of colors and you want to experiment with bright blues and then peach, neon colors, you will find all of these colors in this. So it has a lot of other shade options, and I will insert a few on the screen so that you'll be able to see. It really has some beautiful options, so you can definitely check them out. Now I wanted something that I know I will for sure use, and those colors are something that you don't really use on a daily. It's just something that you might use sometime, unless and until you are a content creator. So I wanted something that I can use on functions, occasions. So this is the palette that I found which interested me, by the way. This has such beautiful colors. First of all, it has a white which is really good because that is not something that you get usually in most of the palettes. And it has actually browns. All the mattes are browns in these, and it has different shades of brown, so it's again really helpful to create multiple looks. And also these shimmer shades, these are to die for. The quality of these is so good, and it's just so buttery, so soft, and the color payoff is really good. So it's really pigmented, and it's not chalky. It doesn't have any kickback. It doesn't have any issues so far. And these shades, you can use them with a wet eyeshadow or your brush, or you can use it with your fingers, and that will give you maximum payoff. The darker shades, they are also equally stunning. They are very easy to blend, and I'm sure you will have a good time using this. So yeah, that is all for today's video. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below which is your favorite, and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.